Hi and welcome back to Wrexham Volkswagen. My name is Shannon and today I'm excited to present you with this Volkswagen Golf GTI Performance that we currently have in stock. This is a 2-litre TSI DSG finished in a deep black paint. This sporty 5-door hatchback features your upgraded wheels and upholstery, heated seats as well as a panoramic roof. So on the front we've got your GTI badging following by your LED daytime running lights incorporating the red stripe. And then moving around, we've got your upgraded 19-inch Brescia alloy wheels with the red calipers that look really sporty. You've got your GTI badging all around the vehicle. This car does also feature your remote folding door mirrors, which will provide safety for your vehicle when left parked in narrow areas. You've got your rear tinted glass, really adding to that sporty finish. And this car is also covered over 4,000 miles. So then moving into the boot. So opening up, you can see that we've got a generous space. You've got your shopping hooks either side, so it's ideal for your weekly food shop. And then you've also got your spare wheel under here as well. So moving into the rear of the vehicle, we've got your Vienna leather finish. You've got the red piping and contrast stitching. So this is part of an additional option on the vehicle. You've also got your pull-out armrest in the centre seat with 2 cup holders. It just has a really sporty finish. And then moving to the front, so we've got your heated front sport seats with lumbar support. So if you're looking for a comfortable car, then this is ideal for you. So I'm just starting up the vehicle. You've got your start and stop function. And then you've got your infotainment system. So here we can access your car's features and settings. So you've got your DAB digital radio for all your music and entertainment. And you've also got your Bluetooth telephone connect so you can answer phone calls safely. And then we don't have a sat nav on this Golf, but you can purchase it onto the car, or you can use your app Connect where you can transfer the maps from your phone to the vehicle as well as your music and contacts. And then we do also have a fantastic rear view camera to help you manoeuvre more safely, as well as your front and rear parking sensors to help you park more confidently. And we do have your driver mode selection, giving you 4 preset options to choose from. So you've got your Eco, Normal, Sport and Individual. So moving down here, we can access your 2-zone climate control, so both yourself and your passenger have your own controls, as well as your front heated seats to keep you nice and cosy in the cold weather. You've also got a USB port down there so devices can be charged. You've got your automatic gearbox with your electronic park brake with auto hold. We have some storage compartments dotted around the vehicle. I'll just give you a close-up of the seat. And over here we've got your multifunction steering wheel. It feels really nice to drive with. You've got your GTI badging at the bottom, as well as your red contrast stitching. So using your wheel, you can also flip through your digital cockpit, which shows key information within your field of view. And you no longer need to worry about remembering to put your lights on if you've got your automatic lights. Then we've also got all your electric mirror and window controls in the driver's door. And lastly, we've got your fantastic panoramic sunroof that floods lots of natural light into the vehicle. So it's really easy to use. And then you've also got your sunblind on there as well. So I hope you love the car. If you require further information or have any questions, then please give us a call. Thanks for watching.